Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm back with a Walmart spring and summer haul, and Walmart just released so many good items from Free Assembly, Scoop, and Time and True that's giving all the anthropology vibes but at a Walmart price. Also guys, if you did not check out my last JCPenney haul, I'm gonna have it linked down below for you guys to watch. And before we get started, if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. Starting out with one of my absolute favorite dress from today's haul, and this dress is definitely giving all the anthropology vibes at a Walmart price. It is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $36. It's only available in this pink floral print, which is just so adorable. This dress features a squared neckline. It does have bra-friendly tank straps. I was able to wear my regular bra with this dress, and it has a hidden zipper here in the back. It has these beautiful seam details going all the way down the front, and this dress is made from 100% cotton. It's fully lined underneath, so definitely not see-through. This dress also has two pockets to the side, and it is a midi length on me. What I like about this dress is that it balances out my shape. It's a little bit poofy in the skirt area, which I absolutely love. You could go ahead and style this dress with your favorite sandals, your favorite heels for a more elevated look, and of course you could style it with your favorite ballet flats. This dress is just a must-have, and this dress would also be perfect for Mother's Day. This dress is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it to you guys. This midi-length dress from Free Assembly is another dress that would be perfect for Mother's Day. It is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X, and the price is $36. It's only available in the stripe print. It does feature a squared neckline, thin adjustable straps, and in the back of this dress it does have a smoked panel, and it also has a hidden zipper. Guys, it's a little bit tight on me in the bust area. I definitely needed to size up to the size 2X, so just keep that in mind. It has the beautiful seam details going all the way down the front, and this dress is made from 100% cotton. It is unlined but not see-through, and it has two functional pockets to the side. It does flare in the skirt area, and this dress is a midi length on me. And guys, if you don't feel comfortable showing your arm in this dress, you could definitely put your favorite white tee underneath this dress. Go ahead and add your favorite heels, your favorite ballet flats, or your favorite sneakers if you want to dress this down. And I just absolutely love the overall look of this dress. It's so cute. Next is this dress from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X, and the price is $32. I did go ahead and pick it up in this blue stripe print, but it's also available in two additional colors. It does feature a U neckline, and going around the neckline we have the beautiful scallop trim. We also have it here in the back. The straps are thick and bra friendly. I was able to wear my regular bra with this dress, and it's super stretchy on top. I definitely could have sized down to the size 1X in this dress. Going down, the bottom of this dress is made from 100% cotton, and it does have two pockets to the side. It's unlined but not see-through, and it is a midi length on me. This dress from Free Assembly will be the perfect throw on and go dress. You don't have to worry too much about how you're gonna style it, and I just absolutely love the scallop trim around the neckline. It elevates this dress also. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite footwear, your favorite crossbody bag, and you have a cute outfit for the summer season. This maxi dress is from Free Assembly, and it is available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL, and the price is $38. I have it here in this beautiful yellow floral print, but it's also available in a cream floral print, but it's showing up underneath a different link. So I'm going to have both linked down below for you guys to shop. This dress features a sweetheart neckline, and it does have thin adjustable spaghetti straps. And of course, if you don't like to show your arm, you could go ahead and put your favorite white tee underneath this dress. It's fully smoked in the bodice, guys, and super stretchy. I could have sized down to the extra large, so just keep that in mind. It's also made from 100% viscose, so the material on this dress is a little bit lightweight, and the skirt is unlined and definitely see-through, so you have to be mindful of the color underwear you're going to wear underneath this dress, or of course you could add your favorite slip. This dress does have two pockets to the side, and it is a maxi length on me. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite footwear, and it will be the perfect throw on and go dress. You don't have to think too much about how you're gonna style it because the floral print on this dress is just so gorgeous. Next up is this denim dress from Free Assembly, and I love a good denim dress for the summer season. This one is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $28, which is such a good price point. I have it here in the light denim wash, but it's also available in this beautiful floral print, which sold out so quickly. But once it's back in stock, I'm gonna purchase it to share with you guys also. This dress does feature a spread collar. It has short oversized puff sleeve, which has a very stretchy cuff. Functional buttons going all the way down the front, and this dress is made from 100% cotton. It's very lightweight and breathable, so it's gonna be perfect for the summer season. It also comes with a belt here at the waistline, which is removable, and it has 2 pockets to the side. This dress has a bubble hem, and guys, it's a mini dress, but not too much of a mini. It hits me just at the perfect length, and I just absolutely love the overall look of this dress. I feel very put together once I have it on. I did go ahead and start with my favorite sandals, but you could start with your favorite ballet flats or heels and add your favorite bag, and you have such a cute outfit for the summer season. I highly recommend this dress from Free Assembly. Next is this tank top from Free Assembly. It is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $18. I have it here in this orange stripe print, but it's also available in a blue stripe print. This tank top has a U neckline in the front and also in the back, and it does have the bra friendly tank straps. Guys, I should have sized down to the size 1X in this tank top, so keep that in mind. And of course, it's sleeveless. It's fitted throughout, and the material on this tank top is a super soft cotton blend fabric, which has a little bit of texture also. It is a longer length tank top, and it has this beautiful ruffled trim. Go ahead and style this tank top with your favorite jeans, your favorite shorts, or your favorite skirt. And it does come with a matching skirt, which is sold separately, and I'm gonna share that with you guys next. This mini skirt is from Free Assembly, and it matches back to that tank top. It is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X, and the price is $24. I did go ahead and pick it up in this orange stripe print, but it's also available in a blue stripe print. This skirt has a high-rise fit, and it does have a super stretchy waist. It's fitted throughout in the tummy area, then it flares, and I love the beautiful tiered layer going all the way down. This skirt is made from a cotton blend fabric, which is super soft to the touch, and it is a mini length on me, but not too much of a mini. If you love a matching set, this outfit is going to be perfect for you. It's going to be easy to style for the summer season, but of course you could style both pieces separately. I feel like this skirt would look good with a white tee, and go ahead and add your favorite footwear. This Peasant mini dress is from Time and True, and it's another dress from today's haul that I'm obsessed with. It is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X, and the price is $22.98. Such a good price point. I did go ahead and pick it up in this blue and cream print, but it's also available in additional colors. It does feature a super stretchy neckline, and this dress could be worn on the shoulder or off the shoulder, and I love the beautiful ruffle trim going around the neckline on this dress. It does feature short puff sleeve, which has a very stretchy cuff, and I love the gathering detail throughout on this dress. It's also fully smocked in the waist, so very flattering, and this dress is made from 100% cotton. It's unlined but not see-through, and the material on this dress is super lightweight and flowy, so it's gonna be perfect for the warmer weather. This dress does have 2 pockets to the side, and it has a ruffled hem. It's a mini length on me, but not too much of a mini, and I love how flowy it is in the skirt of this dress. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite sandals or ballet flats, and of course you could elevate this dress with your favorite heels. I think this dress is just so cute and so neat. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this dress for the summer season. It will also be the perfect throw on and go dress. Next is this dress from Time and True. It is available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL, and the price is $24. $30.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in black, but it's also available in this beautiful shade of green, which is going to be perfect for the summer season. This dress features a V neckline, functional buttons going down the chest, and this dress does feature short oversized puff sleeve which has a very stretchy cuff. The material on top is a super soft rib knit fabric, and this dress also has a belt here at the waistline which is removable. At the bottom of this dress, the skirt is made from 100% cotton, and it does have two pockets to the side, and I love the beautiful tiered layer going all the way down on this dress. Guys, one thing to note about this dress, I feel like the skirt is very poofy, so it's making my tummy look a little bit bigger, so I'm not too sure how I feel about this dress overall. And this dress is going to be very versatile for your summer wardrobe. It's the type of dress you could dress up with your favorite heels, or you could dress it down with your favorite strappy sandals. Next up is this mini dress from Tara and Sky. It is available in sizes 0x to 4x. I'm wearing it here in the size 1x, and the price is $27.98. And I have it here in this print Walmart is calling Ditzy Azalea Violet Surprise, I want to say. It is only available in this print. It features a V neckline which is super stretchy, elbow length puff sleeve which has a very stretchy cuff. I love the gathering detail here in the bust, and it's also fully smoked in the waist, very flattering. This dress is made from 100% cotton. It's very lightweight and breathable. It's unlined but not see-through, and this dress has two pockets to the side. I do love the overall floral print on this dress, but I feel like it's giving more of a fall color. And I do love the overall print on this dress, but I feel like it's giving more of a fall color. This dress is a mini length on me, but not too much of a mini. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite footwear, your favorite crossbody bag, and you have a very simple but cute outfit for the summer season. Next is this mini dress from Scoop. It is available in sizes 0 to 26. I'm going to turn the size 20 women's, and the price is $30. I have it here in this beautiful floral print which Walmart is calling Hydrangea Peach, but it's also available in one additional print. This dress does feature a higher crew neckline, and it has thicker straps. It's a sleeveless dress, and in the back of this dress is where all the party is. It does have two strings here which you tie, and it creates this cutout detail, but I'm not too sure if I'm gonna keep this dress because of this cutout. It's pretty big and it's showing the back fat, so just keep that in mind. This dress is made from a linen blend fabric and is fully lined underneath, and it does have two pockets to the side. It's a mini length on me, but not too much of a mini. This will be the perfect dress for the summer season. It would be perfect for vacation, and you could go ahead and start with your favorite sandals. This vest is from Scoop. It's available in sizes extra small to 4x. I'm wearing it here in the size 2x, and the price is $28. I have it here in this color Walmart is calling Burnt Rosemary, but it's also available in one additional color. It does feature a squared neckline, thin adjustable spaghetti straps, and it has functional buttons going all the way down the front. I didn't like how the squared neckline look on me in this vest, so what I did was tuck it in to create a V neckline, and I loved how that looked. This vest is made from a linen blend fabric, and I love the seam details going down the front, and it does have two welt pockets. This is a longer length vest. Go ahead and start with your favorite shorts, your favorite jeans, or your favorite skirt, and it does come with a matching Bermuda shorts which I just saw, so I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to shop also, because I do love a good matching set for the summer season, and I'm sure you guys do love a matching set also. I absolutely love this blazer. It's a keeper for me. I'm gonna pick it up in the stripe print to see how that one looks also. I did style that vest with one of my absolute favorite jeans from Scoop, which is back in stock. It's available in sizes 0 to 26 women's. I'm wearing it here in the size 20 women's, and the price is $26, but it's currently on clearance for $13, so definitely get this jeans before it's sold out. I have it here in the light wash, but it's also available in a darker wash. These jeans are a mid-rise jeans. It has a button closure and a zip fly, 5 pocket style and functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets here in the back. It does have the light whisker throughout, and this is a flared hem jeans, and the inseam on this jeans is 30 inches. It's one of my absolute favorite jeans from Scoop this season, and now that it's on clearance, now is the time to get it before it's sold out. Next up is this cardigan sweater from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X, and the price is $28. I did go ahead and pick it up in this cream floral print, but it's also available in a navy floral print. This cardigan features a ribbed crew neckline, and it has functional buttons going down the front, short oversized puff sleeve which has a very stretchy cuff. And what I love about this cardigan is the beautiful floral embroidered print all throughout. I feel like that's just so classy. This cardigan is very lightweight and breathable, and as you guys could see, it's a little bit see-through, so it's gonna be perfect for the summer season. This cardigan is also a longer length, and it has a ribbed hem. Go ahead and style this cardigan with your favorite shorts, your favorite jeans, or your favorite skirt, and this is going to be perfect to layer over your favorite dress also for the summer season. Next up is this beautiful top from Scoop that didn't fit me, but I still want to share it with you guys. It is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I have it here in the size 2XL, and when I purchased this top, it wasn't available in plus sizes as yet, but now it's available in plus sizes, and the price is $22. I am going to repurchase this top to share with you guys again in the plus size option. I have it here in this coral color, but it's also available in 2 additional colors. It features a off the shoulder neckline, and going around the neckline we have this beautiful ruffled detail. It's fully smoked in the bodice, and it's very stretchy also, and it does have a ruffled trim. Go ahead and style this top with your favorite shorts, your favorite jeans, or your favorite skirt, and of course I feel like this would look nice with some trousers also. I'm gonna repurchase this top in my correct size and share it again in a upcoming Walmart haul. Next up are these kitten heel sandals from Scoop. It's available in sizes 6 to 11 whole and half sizes. I have it here in my regular size 8.5, and the price is $40. A little bit pricey for Walmart, but I do love these sandals. I have it here in black, but it's also available in green and white. What I love about the sandals is the squirt toe is very wide, and these sandals are wide feet friendly, so I highly recommend it. It is a thong style kitten heel, and I absolutely love this embellishment going around the straps. Very trendy, and it does have a padded insole. The heels on this kitten heel also is under 2 inches, so very comfortable and easy to walk in, and it does have the slip resistant outer sole. Go ahead and style this kitten heel with your favorite dress or your favorite jeans, and I feel like this kitten heel will elevate any outfit. I highly recommend it. Next up are these mules from Macy's, but I still wanted to share them with you guys. This is from the INC brand, and it's available in sizes 5 to 12 whole and half sizes. I have it here in my regular size 8.5. I did go ahead and pick it up in this beautiful chocolate brown, but it's also available in additional colors. What I love about these mules is that it has a trendy pointed toe, and it does have a thick strap going across, which is made from a faux suede material. It's padded inside and super comfortable, and I want to say the heel on this mules is around 3 inches, and it has a slip resistant outer sole. I did wear these mules to dinner, and they were super comfortable and easy to walk in. You could go ahead and style this mule with your favorite dress, or you could wear it with your favorite jeans. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, leave me the sunflower emoji down below so I know that you stuck it out to the end. Also, if you're not following me on the Like to Know It app, go ahead and give me a follow over there. I do post new arrivals, restock alert, outfit ideas, and so much more. I also post that on the post tab here on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.